Hi, beautiful. Insomnia is widespread across all continents. The most common reason is stress. Let's take a peek at all the natural remedies from your kitchen cabinet. It's come down from ages. A glass of warm milk with a little honey will help you on your way to dreamland. The calcium will help put you to sleep. Do not drink hot chocolate. It contains caffeine. Warning, do not give honey to children under the age of 2. Here's an alternative. In case you don't like milk, you can take a calcium supplement or a calcium-based antacid such as Tums. This will help you to sleep. Ingredients you will need are far less expensive and readily available than what you would normally buy at your favorite discount drugstore. Chamomile is commonly considered as a mild tranquilizer or sleep inducer. It has a calming effect because of an antioxidant called apigenin, also pronounced as apigenin. It is found in plenty in chamomile. Apigenin binds to a specific receptor in your brain that may decrease anxiety and make you sleep. Take chamomile tea about half hour to an hour before you go to bed. It is found to effectively calm you and put you to sleep. Onions are rich in amino acid L-tryptophan. It acts as a natural sedative. It also helps in reducing stress levels that will help you sleep. It lowers down the level of sugar in your blood, which promotes reduction of activity in the human body. Eat a couple of raw onions before bedtime. You should be in dreamland in no time. Lavender oil is mainly linalyl acetate and linalool. These are chemicals that are both rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream. Studies on mice have shown that these compounds inhibit several neurotransmitters and have a sedative and pain-relieving effect. Lavender is one of the most popular essential oils. It is commonly used for relaxation and sleep. When you use it before bedtime, it can not only help you fall asleep, but also improve the overall quality of rest. Put a few drops of essential oil on your pillow or in a nighttime bath. Better yet, if you can have someone massage you with lavender scented oil. Do deep breathing for 10 to 15 minutes. Slowly breathe in, hold to the count of 6. Breathe out slowly, hold to the count of 3 or 4. Doing deep breathing exercise prior to meditation helps bring about mind and body balance. Meditation is very effective in clearing your mind. There are research studies that have found significant improvements in insomnia and overall sleep quality. If you're not able to find at least an hour a day for meditation, at least meditate 15 minutes in the morning or evening. For instructions on how to meditate, follow the link below in the description. Mantras. Chanting some powerful mantras in any language have been found to reduce insomnia, and this is based on research studies. You can also chant positive affirmations like everything is fine or everything is all right, whichever feels right for you. You can chant mentally or aloud, focusing on every word. Every time your mind wanders, gently bring it back by chanting each time, and feel to recite as often as you can. These alternative medicine can replace over-the-counter medication, but do not ignore your doctor's advice. Yoga has been found to have a positive effect on sleep quality. It may also reduce your stress, improve your physical functioning, and boost your mental focus. Slow and controlled movements allow you to stay present and focused. Strive to do a few longer sessions each week and at least 20 minutes of daily self-practice. Performing the postures before bedtime can help you relax and unwind. Exercise boosts overall health. It can enhance your mood, give you more energy, aid in weight loss, and promote better sleep. To benefit, you should engage in moderate exercise for at least 20 minutes per day. You may add some strength training or vigorous aerobic exercise a few times per week. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. But that said, massage therapy can benefit people with insomnia by improving sleep quality and daytime dysfunction. It may also reduce feelings of pain, anxiety, and depression. Magnesium is a naturally occurring mineral. Magnesium supplements can help muscle relax and relieve stress. This is thought to encourage healthy sleep patterns. Check with your doctor on dosage. Might know other remedies? Write in the comments below. Be fabulous, stay healthy, and see you in my next video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell for new videos. If you like the video, give me thumbs up and write comments below.